Bella Boo. Bella.
So you can see here that it says that it's not open, right? So I haven't opened it yet. There's only 3 bully sticks in here. And if I turn it around, I'm doing this so that you can see that it says here 6-inch thick bully sticks by Best Bully Sticks 5-pack. Just flip it around so you know I'm not doing anything weird about it. And there's only 3 in here.
So this is the packaging, and it's sealed at the top here, and it has the zip so you can close it. They're pretty decent sized, and my dog loves them, so I definitely will be ordering again.
Though you sometimes may wonder why life's a trip